Okay, so the last video I did was a pre-fall kind of affordable outfit idea styling options type video. I'm going to piggyback on that today and show you guys some more pieces that help you transition your wardrobe into fall. So I'm going to walk you through some pieces, show you how I styled them, give you some tips on how you can transition them. All of the pieces today came from Dailylook.com, and I hope you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks and that you take something away from it. Welcome to kwright.com, where we talk fashion and beauty for grown women. To stay up to date with all things fashion and beauty for the grown woman, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. You can also join the crew by clicking the link down below in the description box. That will take you over and you can sign up for my email list. What you get there is behind the scenes. You get different types of videos, other content that I don't upload here on YouTube. So if you enjoy my content here, I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy that content as well, so go ahead and join the crew. Okay, so if you're wondering what Dailylook is, it's an upscale monthly clothing subscription box service for women. So you would go in, you fill out a questionnaire, they assign you a stylist, and then that stylist would put together a box of clothing for you. And then you can go in and say, okay, I like these pieces, I don't like these pieces. That all happens during your preview, your box preview. And then once you've decided on your items, the box gets shipped out to you. This is how it comes in a big box like this. Oh, see? Isn't that cute? It's so cute to me. It has this little like paper dollhouse kind of effect to it. That's what it looks like. So that's how the box looks, and then inside the box is another box. So this, ooh. So this is the box that the clothes are actually in. I already took this apart once, but like I said, it's on my Instagram stories, all nice and pretty. But you just take this apart, take this ribbon off, and then it's just like this, your box. And then inside is all neatly packaged. Oh Lord, y'all. It's getting cooler and cooler as the days and weeks pass by, and so you can never, in my opinion, have too many options for how to get yourself through this kind of in-between time, because it's not freezing cold. It's not as cold as it's gonna get, but it's definitely not hot anymore. One of the easiest ways to transition your wardrobe is to quickly throw on an outerwear piece or a duster, and that's what I have here, two dusters, one in black and one in gray. And they're just long. It's kind of like an exaggerated cardigan is how I like to describe it. These are so comfortable, so soft. They're not super heavy, but they're definitely going to give you some protection against like the night wind or the cooler temperatures once the sun goes down in the evening. So this one is just a black one that you can throw on top of so many different things. I love that the sleeves are extra long. I personally just like that. It feels cozier to me. So I do like that added touch. You can wear this plain. You can wear this with dress pants, jeans. You can throw this on top of a skirt and a top. You can put this on top of a dress. You can also style it up a bit by adding a belt. You can use this to incorporate some animal print if you want, like I did here with the belt. You can just do a lot of things with this piece. It's versatile. This one has pockets as well, which is again something that's very critical when transitioning into cooler temperatures. Those little things do end up helping when it's cool or a little bit cold, but it's not freezing, like you don't need a trench coat. So I do like this black duster. The gray duster is a little bit longer. This is how it looks. I mean, it's just, you know, a duster. But what I like about this one is that the sleeves on this one are ribbed. And ribbed sleeves give you styling options because you get to play with texture a little bit, but they also do keep you warmer. So say for instance, if you had on a t-shirt, you would use the black one to kind of cover up. But if you had on, say, something sleeveless, you want to go for this one because the ribbed sleeves are going to give you more warmth once those temperatures start dropping. But I like gray because you can put gray with snakeskin. You can also put it with leopard print. You can put gray with caramel colors and browns and chocolates, which I love so much. I like that contrast. And just the same as we styled up the black one, you can throw on a belt with this one and cinch it, style it up just the same. It's going to give you a little bit of versatility that way and more options of ways for you to wear it more than one time and more than one way. And another little added bonus that I like to do sometimes with a duster or an extra long cardigan like this is you can tuck it and play up your accessory. So if you have a really nice belt that you want to show off, you can just tuck one side into your jeans. You want to get pretty deep in the front, deeper than you would like a t-shirt, and then you just cross over the second part of the duster and tuck that in as well. You just want to make sure that the two pieces cross over, and then just pull it out a little bit like you would an oversized shirt, and then you get a whole different look. So you can show off the belt, which is an accessory. People are going to see the top part of your pants also, and then you get a little more styling options, but you're still getting the functionality of the piece. It's still warm. You still have the ribbed sleeves. You didn't do anything with any of those attributes of the top. It's still long, so if you like the length, if you like that it covers your butt, all of that still is going to be there for you, but you just jazz it up a little bit. Okay, let's move on to tops. The first one here is this dark blue navy lace top, which I think is so pretty. You know, I used to not like lace. Like I had like a real like thing. Like I just wouldn't even look at lace. I wouldn't pick it up. But recently I've kind of gotten into it, and I do like this top a lot. It's really pretty, and lace can be very dainty and ladylike, and this piece is very feminine and dainty for sure. So this is how it looks. I like the detailing of it. I like that it's lined, so you're going to get weight to it. All of these pieces are very good quality. Nothing felt light and cheap and thrown together. Every piece that I got in my box felt like it was legitimately like a piece of very well-made quality clothing. So this piece is lined with the same color as the same color underpiece as the top, and it's kind of like a silky feel to it, so it's not itchy. And then the fact that this is sleeveless is what makes it transitional, because you are going to be able to layer with this. You can throw an outer coat on top of it if you need to, outerwear piece if you want to. You can put a cardigan on top of it. If it's too hot, you can definitely take it off. If you're wearing something during the day and then you know that you're going to go into the evening with it, something like this is good to have underneath whatever else it is that you're going to layer on once it gets cooler. So I do like this piece for that reason. And navy is a color like black. You can just pretty much do anything with it. It's like a base color. Next up, we have this teal piece. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. This is the most attractive part of this. It's so pretty. To me, it just looks like a dinosaur. I don't know why, but I think it's so pretty. It's such a nice detail to it. This is like a teal green top. It's also lined as well, so it's heavier. But, I mean, it's so sleeveless that I don't know how you would get away with this other than just putting on a coat with it and a pair of boots with it and not having to take your coat off. So this one might be a little tricky to transition, but you might be able to put like a turtleneck underneath this. You would still show off that detailing if you put like a cream colored turtleneck or something lighter underneath it. And then you could throw this on top and then put something to layer even on top of that, like an outerwear piece or a thicker, longer cardigan. Okay, this next piece is a date night piece, I think. I love the way it fits. It is so heavy and like, this is a real dress. This is not like a Forever 21 type deal. It's so nice. I like the detailing of it down at the leg that you'll see in the cutaway. I like the deep V neck. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It has this deep V neck. I like that kind of crisscross detailing at the bottom, and it's really thick, and it has long sleeves, which again, I like the length of the sleeves, so you know it's going to keep you warm. This is so easy to transition and style this up. You can put on some leggings with this and add a heel. You can go without the leggings and just go with the heel like I did, and you can put a trench coat on top of this. Any outerwear piece is going to look great with something that is form-fitting and thick and black like this, because your black is going to just be your base, so you can just go crazy. You could also put a knee-high boot with this. You could put a knee-high boot with a heel with this if you want to be extra sexy. The deep v-neck is just going to let you play around with jewelry and accessories so much. But this is a solid piece that can go from this in-between stage we're in now to the colder months. And the ways you do it are just what I said. Add you some cute accessories, go crazy with it because it's black, and just style it up however you want to style it up. I just chose to pair it with a plain pair of pumps because I'm in Florida. So right now for me, I can't put it with leggings and knee-high boots yet because I would pass out. But as it gets colder, for sure, you can put you some leggings or some really pretty stockings that have designs on it, which is like kind of trendy right now, honestly. And you can just play that up as much as you want to. You can put animal print with this. You definitely can put leopard with this. You can put snake skin with it because it's black. If you like this and you want to see more fall transition outfits, styling ideas, pieces, you can definitely click here and go check out my last pre-fall transition video. It has a lot more options in it for you guys to choose from. For more fashion content in general, you can also watch my fashion playlist, which I will link for you guys as well. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and follow me on my other social medias. They will pop up on the screen for you guys. And until next time, y'all, bye.